Welcome to the world of Sika and Centroplan, your partners for photovoltaic systems. In this animation, we would like to show you how quick and easy the installation procedure of the Sika SolarMount 1 photovoltaic mountain system works. Before the final installation, the complete structural design has to be provided by Centroplan. After measuring and temporarily marking the front line of the mounting rack on the roofing membrane, the module assembly rails are laid on the roof. The hammerhead screws are placed on the assembly rails. Then the mounting racks and the Sika solar clicks have to be placed in front of the marked line. According to the project layout plan, the Sika solar clicks are hooked into the lateral recesses of the racks. After that, the supports have to be turned upside down and the hammerhead screws have to be put in the provided mounting aperture. In the next step, the hammerhead screws have to be fit to the washers and nuts, and the nuts have to be tightened with a torque of 50 Nm. The nuts for the upper mounting rail must not be torqued down in this step. Once all mounting racks are firmly connected to the assembly rail, the system has to be placed back on the roof by turning it by 180 degrees. Now the mounting structure has to be adjusted to the marked lines. The next step is to stick the wind deflector cap on the support nose and to tighten the nuts with a torque of 15 Nm. After that, the roofing membrane has to be cleaned with an approved Sika cleaner in the welding areas. Now the Sika solar clicks parts have to be fixed along the inner end with a handheld hot air welder. Special attention is necessary to avoid moving off the rack assembly during the welding process. Along the flaps on the whole length, the welding has to be done with the similar welding depth as on the roofing membrane. If because of statical requirements necessary, additional weight can be placed in the mounting rack. Then the lower part of the rack has to be filled up first, before finally placing a second and third layer. Now the solar modules have to be laid on the base of the module mounting rail. After that, the module clamps have to be fastened. Each module is fastened normally by 4 module clamps. The wind deflectors will be attached to the mounting racks after cabling the modules. First, the wind deflector has to be fixed to the lower point of the mounting rack. In the next step, the upper edge of the wind deflector must be pushed down and slided under the wind deflector cap. Fasten the wind deflector by using self-drilling fin sheet screws. Finally, the wind deflector is connected at the overlap positions by using again self-drilling fin sheet screws. The Sika SolarMount 1 and the modules are now properly installed. Thank you for your attention and your interest to the world of Sika and Centroplan, your partners for photovoltaic systems.